Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can play Call of Duty Warzone on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and play Call of Duty Warzone on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform. So Steam for me, you're going to go onto the store, you're going to search here Call of Duty Warzone, click onto this first one saying Call of Duty Warzone, scroll down on here and just click on play game right here, and then it will ask you where you want it to download. You're going to select your directory and then you're going to click install, and then you're going to go into your library, click on Call of Duty, go into properties, go into DLC, make sure to untick the free trial and just download the Call of Duty Warzone from here, and then you should be able to download and play Call of Duty Warzone. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.